Hey, what's up guys? It's Nate and I'm back with another video. There's more of my addiction coming and we decided to just do some regular missions instead of bounties because we've been doing a ton of bounties. So here this is. I hope you guys like it. Like and subscribe. Check out my Discord where we can watch SpongeBob if we get enough people. Check out my Twitter, check out my Twitch. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
I'm kind of scared.
So am I. But that's fine.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Me neither.
What did you get me into?
I don't know. It had a giant 2 letters on the map, so I went to it. And that's what we're doing.
You just don't just go to random things.
Why not?
So, you made it clear what kind of a fella you are.
Oh my god.
As long as you do all I ask of you, what you do elsewhere don't bother me or my mistress one jot. But, good, bad, or indifferent, you gotta make yourself a living.
I don't.
This is Samson Finch.
Yep.
Mr. Finch
It's a black
is like
guy.
you or like me.
It's a black cowboy.
There's a bone to pick with some fellas as did him a wrong.
Wait, wasn't this during the
Tell 'em about
racism time?
I ain't
How
gonna
the
lie
fuck
to
is
you.
there a black cowboy?
Truth is, I'm a bad bastard. I lived my way, but I stuck to my word and did what I said I would. Especially to them as stuck by me.
Mr. Finch has a little predicament.
I was planning a job. A good job. Thing took a goddamn year. It was gonna make me pretty rich. Then my partner went yellow and betrayed me. If you and your bunch will help me do this robbery and get back at it, well, like I said, I ain't never betrayed no one. I ain't about to
Are you
start.
sure?
Plus, well, this is a fine job. If I had a group I can trust, we could all do well. So you in.
I could see him going against us.
Now
To
I
be
ain't gonna
honest.
pretend
Your
it's
nose.
nasty business.
Listen.
We're robbers that know they're
Don't make fun of my nose.
not outlaws. The real
Gremlin looking ass.
industrialists in pockets.
And good luck.
Look at my
I've
ears.
heard quite enough for me to join you at the
They're so
gallows,
flat.
should things go wrong.
How about you ride with me and I explain more about it?
You
You
actually
look like I grabbed them and
human-like.
ripped them.
Farley, I see you around, friend.
Sure.
Looks like
At
your
least you
mom
look like
grabbed
you
them
would.
too much.
Yeah.
I'll see you soon, I'm sure.
You look like you were just beat in the face or have sunburn or something.
I'm sure Mr. Jones will
Windburn.
guide you a little.
Ah.
Come with me, friend.
I guess. I don't know. Yeah, but I look like I do like an honest living.
Saddle up.
Yeah, no, I just look homeless and psycho. Wait,
Come
we
on,
have
Bo.
to follow this guy?
Come on, ride with me. Here's the plan.
Whoa.
These industrialists you're robbing.
I think we have to go
They're some of the
slower.
worst folk I know. Or at that kerosene and tar plant.
I love how you
You
have
got a
2
train
guns,
of
I have a
strike
gun and
breakers
a
and
bow.
killers from some detective agency coming
Yeah.
in by train. Fresh off
I
some
love
other
my
recent-
bow.
You're going to
What's up to me? I don't think anything should be up to me, so.
Yeah. Oh god.
Wait, what? Whoa, why'd he stop? Oh,
This is a
he
spot
didn't.
where I would take the train.
I thought he
You got
stopped.
high
Oh, he
ground
did.
up there, or that gully for cover.
Wait,
Plenty
I
of
can
options.
lasso my
Now figure
posse
out a way
partner?
to
Come
stop
here.
it. I'm gonna win
Get
this fight.
away from me.
Got him!
Okay?
I'll let you go. I'll let you go.
Good.
I thought it was just funny.
Then get to
Ambush the
refinery,
train?
Clear them out there.
Okay.
I need to ride for Valentine. I'll be near old Fort
How do
Walton.
we ambush a train?
Chop. Chop.
The train's coming.
I know.
Are we just gonna try to jump from on the mountain to the train?
I guess.
Alrighty. Let's hope Fecker
See-
doesn't get hit.
You just wait. Where's your horse at?
Right there.
Oh god. Mine's
See-
on top.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's down there.
How do you have 2 guns?
See the holster on the front of my belt?
Yeah, I want that.
Yeah, that's the offhand. I think we have to
Ha-
get to a clothing store for that.
Okay. I will definitely buy that.
You can try to jump from up there, but I'll wait for a train car or something to jump on.
Yeah, me too.
Because I don't think I'll make that jump.
I will try it. Screw it. I'm gonna take a running jump to it.
Alright. I'm on. Guess it didn't really work out for you, huh?
No. Hang on, I'm coming. Hang on. How did you jump on it?
I see where the railing is. I jumped onto the railing.
Hang on, I gotta get back to it.
Okay. Oh, they gave me a machine gun? That was a problem. That was a mistake. What happened? God damn it. What did
What?
you do?
Nothing!
What did we do?
Well, replay from checkpoint.
Yup.
I don't know what I did. That was not me. I didn't do nothing bad.
I
was a
didn't
good
do
boy.
it either. I was just shooting people.
Me too!
Maybe the train got too far?
From what?
Maybe it got too close to its target or something? I don't know. Wait a second. I'm gonna see if this is possible. Can I
What are you
just-
doing?
I'm setting dynamite up. I'm gonna blow up the train.
No.
I'm gonna see if it works.
I'm running away.
Yeah, get up here. No, don't shoot it yet.
I shot you.
Oh. Where's the dynamite at? I'm too blind. Where did I put it? I lost the dynamite.
That's always a nice thing.
Dynamite? Alright, I'm jumping on it again. Because I lost the dynamite.
I forgot I can snipe. I have a scope on my gun.
Sounds about nice. Sounds pretty nice, honestly. Ow. Alright, I'm gonna go kill the
Yeah,
driver.
go. Are you kidding me? Hey, help, dude.
Okay, I just had
Don't
to
let
kill
me
the
die.
driver.
Don't just.
I have to make sure that it doesn't get to the tunnel, I think. I stopped the train at least, so we're good on that note. How do I get off? Alright.
The last guy killed me.
Alright. We're good. Wait for your posse to get on the train.
Good job, boat. Are you driving?
Yes.
Oh no.
Choo choo!
I don't trust this.
Choo choo! Whee! Do you want to drive?
No.
It's either trust this or don't. Hey, I'd recommend
I still
getting
don't-
on the machine guns. Just in case.
Why?
Because I don't know where we're going, and I feel like we're going to be fighting someone. Yeah, we're definitely fighting people. Unload on them! Oh my god, I'm running people over with the fucking train! Alright, we're at the target. Gonna jump off this way. Kill this boy. There we go. Jump on this machine gun and help out. This was a mistake to give me a fully automatic weapon. Yeah, I didn't think that there was anyone else. Oh yeah? There's people inside. I'm noticing.
You're not getting out of here alive.
Where's the way up? Oh, down there. Alright, let's go in. Let us in! How are we supposed to get in? Find a way to get in. Let's try this door.
Oh no! They come around the side. I know. You big fools to kill gentlemen like us.
Did they just leave? They left the door open. Aha! That was your mistake.
Okay.
Alright, they're all dead. Loot.
I got the two guys in here.
Alright, I'll go get this guy over here. I think there's people waiting for us outside.
Probably.
Most likely. Let's go say hi, shall we?
Of course, I'm always ready for that.
There was only one guy. Two guys. Okay, I'll take the train back to safety.
No, wait for me.
Well, hurry up. I love the train.
I'll enjoy killing you.
You on?
Yep, I'm on go.
Alrighty. I was hitting the wrong button. Choo choo! Chugga 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 choo choo! Hey, there's people. Get them with the machine gun.
Oh yeah.
It's better than wasting ammo, I'd say. Let's hope this is going the right way. Ow! Choo-choo. Kinda sucks that I can't help.
Shoot him!
This is amazing. I love this mission already. It's I get to drive a train, have a machine gun. Oh my god! I turned back and watched that.
Huh.
You destroy that man. Go ahead, go on the tracks. That's what I thought.
I love how they hang by their horse as they get drugged away.
Yeah.
As they're dead.
Chugga chugga. Wait for your posse to escape.
I was
Yay!
about to say, I'm on.
I was about to say, wait, you're on the train. Easy mission. That wasn't too difficult.
Yeah. Except for the one guy that just peeked around a corner and just blasted me in the head. I'm like,
happens.
ow. Yeah, yeah. Every now and again, you'll get one of those guys that's just like, you're like, oh god, okay then.
Yeah.